Hello everyone, just want to show you our new look and feel on our .ntest.com. This is my dream web app splash page ever since like when I started building web pages, but now it seems so easy. Take a look at this. As you can see here, there are like satellites here that are interactive. If see, if it touches a mouse touches it, it changes direction. This is also like the International Space Station, where see, it's also interactive. There are also airplanes here, like it lands and it flies, but yeah, trying to figure out how to make these planes like fly actually. And I might also want to add a zoom in and zoom out to this. But as of now, I'm pretty satisfied with this. This data here is supposed to be like the GDP of each country, but these are not real data. These are just like makeup data. And most of the cities here are not represented in this globe as well, just to make it like not busy, a little not busier. All right. And there's supposed to be shipping lines here where I don't know, it's not working. There's like a ship supposed to be cargo ships. See, it goes to Singapore and then where did it goes back? Where is it heading back? And see, it's just floating around. It's not really. Where is it going? From Singapore, it goes to. Where is it gonna buy its oil? Let's follow that. It goes to the US. Oh, it goes to the US to buy oil. Are there any oils in US? And why is it floating now? And supposed to be follow only be floating in the sea, and it's like it's traveling and via land, the ships. And yeah, we have to fix that. But overall, this is very nice. I really like it, and especially this mini satellites that see it bounces back. Well, how about the airplanes? No, the airplanes are not interactive. And that's it. I'll be showing this to Vlad, and Vlad will get jealous. And this is so cool. All right, cool. Thanks. Bye bye. See you on the next video.